All right, we're halfway through the screencast. Hopefully, you just gained a lot of inspiration from viewing the different websites, past winning websites on the NHD website, and you took the time to brainstorm your site layout. So you're generating ideas like, hey, I might put this source here, or that video that I found on YouTube would go great right here. So how do I get this on my website? All right, now we're getting into choosing the theme. All right, so once you have all of that, you're ready to choose a theme, which is screencast number 5. Remember, in the beginning I told you about the design tab, so you want to make sure we head to the design tab right now. Mainly we've been working in the build tab, but now it's time to look at the design tab. Within the design tab, we can actually change our theme, change our fonts, and change our backgrounds. So I want everyone to click change theme, and once that comes up, you're going to see a lot of themes being generated that you can choose from. Alright, so this is actually the fun part in my opinion. So Weebly makes it extremely easy for you. There are hundreds of themes that you can choose from. With this, you want to choose a theme that helps convey the message of your topic. Like that, you want to choose a theme, that helps the viewers that come to your website really understand and grasp the concept of your topic. So you want to take the time to scroll through as many as you can to see which one would do the job. And as you scroll through, you can start getting other ideas like, hey, if I put this picture right here that I found from Docs Teach, that's the primary source of the actual law, and and then I can put like a what the law states over here, and then maybe I can use like the beginning of the law, what was happening before the law was took place, and then the middle, and then the end. I'm just throwing ideas out, but the purpose of scrolling through the different themes is to find a theme that would work best for your topic. And once you find a theme, the rest is very simple, because within the theme there are different things that you can do, and all you're doing is replacing your information with what is already there for the theme. So for the purpose of this screencast, I'm going to choose a theme so we can start to see what it looks like after you choose a theme. So I'm going to choose let's see. I'm going to choose this theme right here. Alright. Once you choose the theme, it already generates it on your site. So I have nothing right now, so that's why it looks like that. So I wasn't really feeling this theme after I looked at it, so I'm going to go back. And I didn't really like how things were shaping up already. So let's see. I think I just kind of moved my... There we go. Alright, so scroll down. And actually, I have less research completed than you guys do. So, I kind of like this theme right here. I'm not sure why. So, I'm going to choose this theme. Yep. Alright. So, now I have a theme and I think I'm ready to go. Alright. So, the first thing you can do is you can start swapping out information. So, initially right here is how do I save my work, Miss Garner. But now I want to start plugging in, and you want to start plugging in your title. Like, what is your topic all about? Is your topic about the Civil Rights Act of 1965? Or is your topic about something else? So keeping in mind of the layout that you guys just did, and the ideas that you want to put on your website, now you can begin to insert elements, create themes, insert elements and images and text and slideshows and all to bring life to your website. So I typed in the Civil Rights Act of 1965. I saw on another website that they had like an image right here, and then they had text with it. And so, great, click here to add a new page or blog to your site. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. So I just added an image and a text. So if I want to upload an image, you'll already have these images saved to your computer because you've done the research already. And so for my first picture, I found this about Title IX. And that's it. Maybe it's too small, might need to make it bigger, or I find out that it's too blurry and I don't really like it. So I want to edit image, and maybe I want to do something else because this is not what I like. Edit or replace image. I don't like it, so I'm just going to delete it. Or replace image. Alright, so I don't like that image. I actually want an actual picture. Alright, great. So I found a picture which was a primary source, and I'm going to write about it, but maybe I'll put my thesis right here, and whatever your thesis may be. Insert thesis here, and then you would type a whole spiel about it. And then, as you remember, this is the first page, and on the next screencast I'll show you how to add pages, but this is on the first page. And so after that, I might want to add, I don't want to keep my stuff jumbled up, so I'm going to add a divider right after that so I can get some space in between there. And as you can see, it adds this line right here, and it's starting to divide my work. And I have two lines in there, two dividers, so I don't need two. I'm going to divide that. And now let's see, what else would I add to this page to spice it up? Some pages had audio, and some pages had different columns and slideshows. So now I'm going to add two columns, and I'm going to drop more elements into those columns. Maybe I'll drop some text here, and so you can like add more text here. And then over here, keeping in mind I'm trying to build based on the website that I looked up in the previous screencast. And maybe I'll add an image in this column. So remember, you can make it 2 or 3 columns up, and the image didn't go where I wanted it. So yep, I am definitely sure, because that didn't turn out the way I want. I want to drag a different element there. I want to drag it here, I think. So I don't think it worked right there. And you have to play around with it because I don't know if the spacing is, there we go. See? And so I actually had to put it there. So see, I have text here that I can add on. Maybe I can describe the importance of picture on the right, or maybe I have something else going on and I can upload another image. Alright, and so you can, like, as many things as you want to add elements to your actual web page, you can do that, and it goes on and on and on. And maybe just upload this image of that one other image that I didn't really like. Maybe it fits better here, not sure. There we go. Or maybe, you know, I can have like a quote or something. Not here, or here, not sure, but you can do so many things with it. But now we're starting to run into another problem. This is just one page. Now we have to figure out what works best on what page. So we can't put everything on one page. So the next screencast, we're going to learn about how to add pages and sub pages to your screencast. Alright, so I'll see you soon.